Ino niyo mihango iria yatinda mwena wa Kware ya gwethana na aria mangikorwo makuamite matigari-ini maya thutha wa nyumba ino ya gorofa mugwanja kumomoka utuku wa gukio muthi. Kuringana na riboti iria irekereirio ni ruhonge rwa kuhurana na mogwati guku bururi-ini, kuri na uhotekekanu ati andu atano aria matari maramenyeka kuria mari makwamite matigari-ini maya atatu magikuirwo gukorwo mari ciana.
Ile kitu tunahofia watu wangu na ajua kuanzia ground mpaka 7. Mama mmoja na watoto watatu ndio atuoni hapa. Na ako 4 or 6. Mimi sijajificha. Hawa ni watu wangu. Tumefanya nao kazi.
Gatagati ka atongorĩa megwikinyetie mwena uyu ni murugamiriri wa atumia thiini wa kaunti ya Nairobi Rachel Shebesh uria wiranĩire kurihira aria mahutĩtio ni mutino uyu marĩhi ma nyumba kwa ihinda rĩa mweri ũmwe. Rĩrĩ nayo thirikari ya kaunti kuhĩtũkĩra Governor Evans Gidero iranĩire kuruta ũteithio wa shilingi milioni 2.
I'm going to repeat here in Mukuru kwa Jenga. I'm going to repeat that I am going to give rent, deposits and rent for 1 month for people to immediately move to look for housing. Instead of sitting here, and these are people with jobs, they need to go to work. So instead of killing their work by staying in a camp and their children not going to school.
Tutatoa msaada kwa familia ambayo wameathiriwa. Tumetoa pesa tayari milioni 2 ya kuhakikisha wale ambao wameathiriwa wamepata chakula, wako na tent, na pia tutahakikisha their resettlement is done in the fastest possible time.
Atongoria na andu a wendi mwega ni moritio guthie na mbere gutwara uteithio wothe riri mihango ino irigiirwo guthie na mbere kwa ihinda ria thikũ 2 kana 3 ciukite.